Hello everyone. So today we have 3,111 to the power of 2 plus 2,889 to the power of 2 to be simplified without the use of calculator. So let's solve together. Let's seek solution. Our equation can also be written as 3,000 plus 111 to the power of 2. And this very one also can be written as 3,000 minus 111 again to the power of 2. And this is in the form of A plus B to the power of 2 plus A minus B to the power of 2. And this is represented as A to the power of 2 plus 2AB plus B to the power of 2, and here plus, and this very one is equivalent to A to the power of 2 minus 2AB plus B to the power of 2. 2AB can cancel out. What is left is A to the power of 2 plus A to the power of 2, which is 2A to the power of 2 plus B to the power of 2, and B to the power of 2 again is 2B to the power of 2. And if we factor out 2, what will be left is A to the power of 2 plus B to the power of 2. But A is 3,000 and B is 111. So that to be equals to 2 into 3,000 to the power of 2 plus 111 to the power of 2. And in the next line, 2 into 3 to the power of 2, that is 9. The 0 will be written in 2 places, that is 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 111 can be written So if you do this very one, we have 1, 1, 1, and again 1, 1, 1, and for the last one, it becomes like so. So if we add up this very one, we have 1, 2, 3, 2, and 1. So here, 9 million plus 1, 2, 3, and 2, and 1. In the next line, we have 2 into here 0 plus 1, that is 1, and 0 plus 2, that is 2, and 3 plus 0, and is 3, 2 plus 0, and that is 2, and 1 plus 0, and that is 1, and here what is left is 9 and 0. So if we open up this bracket, 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 times 2, that is 4. And 2 times 3, and it's 6. 2 times 2 again, and it's 4. 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 times 0, and it's 0. And 2 times 9, that is 18. And this is the simplified form of our original equation. Thank you for staying tuned. Please don't forget to click on the subscription button. See you in our next video. Bye.